Diwali is just nearby and we all are preparing our house, our homes, our workplace for this Diwali, and we are preparing ourselves also. That is, we are maintaining our hair and skin and getting ready and prep for this Diwali season. So friends, in this video I am going to discuss something about the beauty tools जो आजकल बहुत in है, and patients are asking me day in day out, ma'am, how to use this beauty tools. So today we are going to discuss about jade roller. Yes friend, jade roller. So I'll share how to use jade roller and what are the benefits of using jade roller in this video. Yes friends, now let's understand first that what is jade roller. Jade is basically a gemstone which is very cool. Even when it touches our skin, it stays cool, and that's why it helps for your face. And so I'll open this. It comes with this type of nice packing, and when you take it, this is jade roller. It usually has two rollers, one on like above side which is larger in size and one smaller. And now how to perfectly use. इसके benefits पहले हम discuss कर लेते हैं. Benefits of this is it is very cool. When it touches your skin, you feel that coolness. And still, if you want more cooler feel, then you can put this in your refrigerator and then use it. And what will it help in? It will help in blood circulation. It will help in lymphatic drainage. It will help in like if you use it with serum or any good cream which is prescribed by a dermatologist, then you'll definitely see results in your complexion. And सबसे best, it helps in sculpting your face. So kindly use it, and I'll share a few right ways to use it. Make sure that you are using this roller in this manner, down to up. Don't use it in this manner because it will cause drooping of your skin. So don't use it in this manner, down to up. Make sure you're counting 10 per stroke should be having 10 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So likewise you can count till here, but when you come in this area, you can use this smaller thing. Yeah, this will be your 4th stroke. You can use it over here also. This will be your 5th stroke. Same thing, हर एक स्ट्रोक में आपको 1 to 10 तक काउंट करना है. 10 strokes are only enough. And over here you are going to use it like this. Friends, you can use this for your neck firming also. So for that thing, again you use it in this manner. Same way you count 1 to 10. And for firming you can use it like this also. So this was certain ways जिससे आप इसका use कर सकते हो. And if you are seeing me, then you can ask me personally also जब आप मुझे मिले, how to use it and how to get it. वैसे it is easily available, but make sure you use the right kind of jade roller and the original one to get excellent results. Thank you friends. Again, this is Dr. Komal signing off. Thank you.